Well, hello there. Welcome to another break here from Bounty Hunter Breaks. This is Boba Fett me. And this morning I got I guess I'd say it's a new retail product from Wildcard, a company that used to exist in the early 90s. So yeah, these say that they have Blaster Box exclusive blue Grooven cards. So we'll see if I get any of those. And then as well, it talks about you can chase a red pack. And here's some of the retail exclusive cards. You've got the Ocular, Splintered, Light Show, the base card, and then Starbright. And it says there's 32 cards in the box, 4 parallels on average. It's basically just all rookies. There's literally no vets in it. And there's a listing of the more notable rookies that you can pull. But this was $23.95 or whatever it is, $23.98 at Walmart. But kind of weird how they have the box, because the thing is, the cellophane doesn't completely encompass the bottom of the pack, or I guess you say the box, so it doesn't sit flat. So we'll get into it. I don't know if this is going to be one giant pack or just a series of packs. And it looks like a series of packs. 4 packs and no red pack. So they certainly save money on cardboard, that's for sure, because that's really small. So we'll see what comes out of this. Last time, like I say, that I bought any wild card was in the 90s. So we start off with a Splintered Kadarius Toney. It's kind of like a foily card. Just a foil board. It's not a chrome. A Chuba Hubbard base. Brevin Jordan base. Kylan Hill base. Terrence Marshall Jr. I guess that's Jay Tufili. Patrick Surtain, and a Kyle Trask. So I'm going to go on a limb and say that's one of our Blaster exclusive parallels. If I can get my frickin' penny sleeve to open up. But yeah, at the Walmart that I go to, they still have limits imposed, and even though the one I stopped at this morning doesn't have them behind the counter, they have them way out in the open so anybody can grab stuff. Well, there you go. That's not a bad one to get, I would say. An Ocular Mac Jones. A Kylan Hill. But yeah, they still have a sign up saying that you can only get 2 items. Tyson Campbell, Brevin Jordan, Sam Ellinger, another Kyle Trask, so Dose Trasks. Where did my first one go? So yeah, Dose Trasks. Deo Odeyingbo. And Jay Tufili again. Pack 3. Oh, goodness gracious. I'll give them one thing. Their packs aren't that smooth to open, that's for sure. Another insert. Starbright, Terrence Marshall Jr. Micah Parsons, who was solid for Dallas, even though I'm a Giants fan. What do you call it? I can't think of what I'm trying to say there. Robert Rochelle. Yeah, Jeremiah, Michael Carter, Rashad Bateman, Amari Rogers, and Devonta Smith. I guess I'm trying to say I can't deny how talented he is, and if somehow the Giants were able to get him, I would certainly take him. Well, this one's weird. This one's facing forward, not backwards. So why is that? Kadarius Toney, Dwayne Eskridge, Asante Samuel Jr., Kyle Pitts, Travis Etienne, Paulson Adebo, Jalen Phillips, and Light Show, Devonta Smith. That one's got a little bit of different look to it. I can't quite. It's still not a chrome. I wonder if that's one of those ones that I'm trying to remember what brand it was I saw. This one definitely has got like a chrome finish to it. So yeah, true to its word, you get 4, I should say, inserts. So, quick recap. Got the Ocular Mac Jones, the Starbright Terrence Marshall Jr., the Light Show Devonta Smith, and Splintered Kadarius Toney. So yeah, I'm curious if if you turned out the lights and stuff, if it had some sort of a, I can't imagine that that's iridescent paint or phosphorescent paint, excuse me. But, so yeah, that concludes this break. 2021 Wildcard Illumination Football. And I didn't get any blue groovins. I'm pretty certain of that. Anyway, that's about what you can expect from a box, I would dare say. But anyway, hope everybody has a great rest of your day, and as always, keep collecting.